warm welcome to this very important roundtable on the e-governance system of Saudi Arabia.
I think we must salute the vision of the leadership. They had a boom of oil, they got lots of money, but they were very wise to spend it. And when they did not have their own human resource developed and available for the country's development, they hired the human resource and they hired best brains from all over the world. They hired the American, French and UK people and other, and when it came to the exploration of oil, best of the best companies of the world were taken on board and they started exploring oil. And these phases have seen rapid changes, and ultimately a time came when there was a realization that they do not have to depend only on the production of oil or income from the oil, and they have to diversify their sources of income and also industrialize them. Then came the vision of education and technology and so on, and they started working on the technology since long. But it was in 2016 that our National Transformation Program was launched, which is part of Vision 2030.
We need to produce data sets. That is why I said R&D needs to work. R&D is a separate pillar. When I say R&D, it's not academia. Academia is teaching, right? But academia, industry needs to work together. Industry needs to invest in the R&D here. And then the final pillar is the government, which you need to transform, right? Which is the enabler. So, I mean, these are the steps. If we take, I think we are good to go. All that requires is the commitment from the top, which I think I have seen in the Prime Minister House. I have seen the commitment is there. They want to do it. They just say, tell me what to do. So I think this is the right point in time we're having this debate. Let's draw down as an outcome the strategy, a clear roadmap, would present it to those in the industry, in the academia, in the government, and let's make it happen.
Let me also throw in some numbers with respect to Saudi Arabia. They rank first in as far as the digitization of the government is concerned. They rank first in the Middle East and North Africa, and globally they have been ranked third of the 198 countries of which the World Bank has issued an index based on a measurement index. They rank third in the world in 2023. So that is something to behold and perhaps something to emulate. So they have a digital government authority which oversees the overall transformation. And let me also say that Riyadh, being one of the smart cities in the world, is also ranked fourth globally as far as the smart cities index is concerned.
On behalf of VNews, I'm grateful to everyone who has participated in this discussion. Admiral Hasham, I'm grateful to Ministry of IT and all the other speakers. Allow me to briefly introduce VNews. VNews is a digital news and current affairs platform. We are very recent, we are very new, and it's been 1 year that we have launched our services. We are very different. We are not in the race of breaking news. We are not in the race of rating. We believe in one thing, and that is Sabki Khabar. That is our motto, that is our mission. In last 1 year, we have produced 650 stories that were not part of the mainstream media, that were not part of electronic media. They were the stories of far-flung areas, success stories, and we have produced them, and I'm very proud of that. And the reason of this success is that we are modern, we are digital, and the team we have. If you ever come to visit our office, you will see 19-year-old, 18-year-old, 20-year-old people. They are directing us, they are giving us dictation, and we are learning from that. That is VNews, and we're progressing well. And we're not only giving news, we are also interested in connecting people, regions and countries. This seminar, this discussion is part of that. As far as the subject of this discussion is concerned, I've recently visited Saudi Arabia, and I realized Saudi Arabia is a very different, vibrant sort of country. Everything is available on apps. If you talk about license, buying a property, ordering a pizza, or anything, they have cut down the bureaucracy. There is no red tapeism. There are no bureaucratic delays. It has become an entirely different economy. We need to learn that. There are delays. There are red tapeism in Pakistani market. We need to avoid that. And I think what you must have said in the beginning of this discussion and the other participant, we need to learn few things from Saudi Arabia. Again, I will thank everyone for being part of this seminar discussion, and especially I'm grateful to Ambassador Raza Saab for allowing us to host this seminar.